Explain why or how. Question A is, in a sound wave, the displacement node is a pressure antinode and vice versa. Actually, sound wave में pressure and displacement, pressure and displacement are 90 degree out of phase. So जिस पॉइंट पर प्रेशर का नोड होगा उस पॉइंट पर डिस्प्लेसमेंट का एंटी नोड होगा और वाइस वर्सा. This is because pressure and displacement are 90 degree out of phase in a sound wave. Question B is, bats can ascertain distances, directions, nature and the size of obstacles without any eyes. Because जो bats हैं that produce and emit ultrasonic waves, these waves get reflected from the obstacle and produce echoes. Now, the intensity of these echoes produced enables the bat to know about the distances, direction, nature, and size of the obstacle. That's why they can detect the obstacles even without having eyes, because they emit the ultrasonic waves and their reflection produce the echo. A violin note and a sitar note may have the same frequency, yet we can distinguish between the two notes. Given है कि एक violin note एक violin note and sitar note दोनों की frequency जो है same है, still we can distinguish between the sounds, or we can distinguish between the two notes because of number of harmonics present in the two notes. दोनों के दोनों notes में number of harmonics कितने present है and their relative intensity due to the difference in the relative intensities we can distinguish between the two notes because इन दोनों फैक्टर्स की वजह से साउंड की क्वालिटी या फिर नोट की क्वालिटी काफी चेंज हो जाएगी एक सितार नोट और एक वायलिन नोट के लिए. That's why we can distinguish between the sitar and the violin note. Solids can support both longitudinal and transverse waves, but only longitudinal waves can propagate in gases. Part D. We know longitudinal waves के propagation के लिए medium should have elasticity of volume. बल्क मॉडुलस भी कहते हैं. And all the three states, solid, liquid, and gases, possesses the elasticity of volume or the bulk modulus. So longitudinal waves can propagate in every medium. Waves जो है सभी मीडिया में प्रोपेगेट कर सकती है, that is solid, liquid as well as in gas. But for the propagation of transverse mechanical waves, the media should have elasticity of shape, eta, and this elasticity of shape is possessed only by the solids. So that's why mechanical transverse waves can only be propagated through solids, and longitudinal mechanical waves can be propagated through solid, liquid, as well as through gases. The shape of a pulse gets distorted during propagation in a dispersive medium. कि जो मेरी पल्स की शेप है वो एक डिस्पर्सिव मीडियम में डिस्टोर्ट हो जाएगी because on passing through a dispersive medium, pulse की wavelength है, the wavelength of pulse gets changed, due to which its pulse undergoes distortion.